Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So it's been a while since nakapaggawa tayo ng video, and for this video mga Lodi Cakes, sagutan natin yung isa sa mga problems from the 27th Philippine Math Olympiad qualifying stage. So credits yung problem natin sa PMO, and thank you so much for sharing the problems as well dun sa Facebook page nyo. Pero before natin sagutan to, shoutout muna sa Lodi Cakes ko and tropa kong si Engineer Felipe Jimenez Jr. na top 1 ng September 2022 RE, and thank you so much Lodi Cakes sa patuloy na suporta mo sa akin, and I hope you all the best. Kita-kits tayo sa Wednesday. So ito yung problem natin. Let A be a complex number satisfying the equation 2a squared equals 5a minus 4. Then the value, okay, so may typo lang dito mga Lodi Cakes. Then the value of a cube all over a to the 6 plus 8 is blank. So kapag ganito yung problem, medyo mahirap siya kung hindi natin kabisado or medyo kulang tayo sa practice when it comes to some algebraic manipulation. Kaya siya naging complex number kasi kapag sinolve natin itong quadratic equation na to, we will have a discriminant which is less than 0. Kaya magiging complex siya. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 2a squared minus 5a plus 4, and then yung magiging discriminant natin is I think mga negative kasi magiging 2a squared minus 5a plus 4, and then magiging 25 siya minus 32, negative 7. So complicated. Complex nga siya. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Sige, for the solution part, makinig maigi mga Lodi Cakes, ha? Okay. So, ang hinahanap kasi nating value is a cube over a to the 6 plus 8. So, a cube over a to the 6 plus 8. So, ang idea ko dyan, mga Lodi, tingnan natin kung ano yung pinakamaliit na degree when it comes to our numerator and denominator. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito, since 3 yung pinakamaliit na degree, pwede natin i-divide both numerator and denominator by a cube, mga idol. So what will happen, Sir IJ? So what will happen is we will have 1 over a cube. Kasi ang a to the 6 divided by a cube is a cube plus 8 over a cube. So magiging case natin, yung numerator natin is 1 na. Ito na lang yung problemahin natin, itong denominator na part natin. So alam natin na ang a cube plus 8 over a cube can be factored out using the sum of two cubes. Okay, let us have some recap or recall, mga Lodi. So, alam natin ang x cube plus y cube can be factored out as x plus y multiplied by x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay? So, ibig sabihin pala niyan, Sir IJ, itong a cube plus 8 over a cube, di ba alam naman natin na ang cube root ng 8 ay 2. So that is 2 over a raised to the power of 3. So we can rewrite it as a plus 2 over a, mga Lodi Cakes, multiplied by a squared minus xy. The product of this is, okay, that's correct. That's 2. Kasi a times 2 over a, cancel yung a, and then negative lang, plus the square which is 4 over a squared. I hope that is clear. Ang problem dyan, how do we get a plus 2 over a from our equation? So, tingnan natin to guys. 2a squared is equal to 5a minus 4. So, let us have some algebraic manipulation here. So, 2a squared equals 5a minus 4. So, pwede natin gawin, lipat natin si 4. So, mag-add tayo ng 4 dito equals 5a. And then, if we divide both sides of our equation by 2a, so we will come up with a plus 4 over 2a will be 2 over a is equal to 5 over 2. Kaya magkakaroon tayo niyan. Doon ko nakita kasi na 2a squared plus 4. Kapag dinivide ko siya by 2a, I will come up or I will have the expression a plus 2 over a. So, edi meron na tayong value niyan. Ito na lang yung problema natin. So, pwede mong gawin dito guys, kung medyo nahihirapan ka, pwedeng ito na lang muna yung unahin mong kunin, yung a squared plus 4 over a squared. Because, alam natin na ang a plus 2 over a quantity squared is equal to a squared plus twice the product. So this will be 2 times a times 2 over a. That's 4 plus 4 over a squared. Eh, ang hinahanap natin, ito at saka ito. Right? So, ibig sabihin pala niyan, Sir IJ, ang a squared plus 4 over a squared can be written as a plus 2 over a quantity squared, and then yung 4 lipat natin sa kabila, so minus 4. Ano ba value nito, Sir IJ? So we have 5 over 2 quantity squared minus 4, which will be equal to 1 over 4. Kasi this is, wait lang, para may mali tayo. It must be 9 over 4. Sorry guys, kasi 25 over 4 minus 4. So that is 25 minus 16, 9 over 4. And then substitute na natin siya dito. Wag nyo lang kakalimutan itong negative 2. So we have a plus 2 over a. So lagyan natin ng arrow para hindi malito. That is 5 over 2 guys. Multiplied by 9 over 4. And then we have here the negative 2. So 9/4 minus 2. Okay, that's correct. That is equal to 1/4, Sir IJ. 5 over 2 times 1/4. That is 5 over 8. However, 1 yung nasa taas, so ilagay pa natin siya. 1 divided by 5 over 8. So we will have the final answer as 8 over 5. Actually, may iba pa namang mga approach dito, pero siguro ito na yung pinaka-quickest way to solve this kind of problem. So yun guys, if ever you have questions or clarifications, wag po kayong magtanong or mag-comment sa comment section mga Lodi Geeks. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusupport sa channel natin. Also, don't forget to join our Cars Casio calculator. Cars KCS 991 calculator. Nasama pa si Casio, And meron tayong raffle this coming Friday, so don't forget to register. And thank you so much sa Cars Calculator for the sponsorship. And kita-kits mga Lodi Geeks. Bye-bye and God bless.